The Iranian Jihad ballistic missile, with a range of 1,000 kilometers, is showcased during a military parade outside Tehran on September 21, 2024. Iran has paraded an unprecedented number of ballistic missiles at the start of its Sacred Defense Week, which also marked the unveiling of a new kamikaze drone, with a range of more than 4,000 kilometers. 23 ballistic missiles were displayed Saturday, which included 2 Kheibar Shekan missiles, 2 Fatah missiles, 4 Haj Qasem missiles, 2 Qadr H missiles, 2 Emad missiles, 3 Khorramshahr missiles, 4 Sejil missiles and 4 Jihad missiles, Tasnim news agency reported. The Jihad is the latest liquid-fuel ballistic missile of the IRGC Aerospace Force, which was displayed for the first time in the parade. With a high-explosive detachable warhead, it has a range of 1,000 kilometers, it added. The Islamic Revolution Guards Corps also paraded the Shahed 136B, the latest version of the Shahed 136 kamikaze drone, for the first time. The new military products were showcased at the mausoleum of the late founder of the Islamic Republic, Imam Khomeini, in southern Tehran. The parades were staged to mark the beginning of former Iraqi dictator Saddam Hussein's invasion of Iran 44 years ago. The Shahed 136 is a delta wing-shaped, low-observable and low-signature loitering munition, with a range of 2,000 kilometers, that carries a warhead of 50 kilograms. The unmanned aerial vehicle uses an Iranian-made piston engine and has a speed of about 200 kilometers per hour. Other indigenous products put on display in the parade included Kheibar Shekan and Sejil Iranian solid-fuel medium-range ballistic missiles, Emad liquid-fuel and medium-range ballistic missile (MRBM), Khorramshahr medium-range ballistic missile, Haj Qasem ballistic missile, as well as Fatah hypersonic medium-range ballistic missile. Iranian military experts and engineers have in recent years made remarkable breakthroughs in manufacturing a broad range of indigenous equipment, making the armed forces self-sufficient. Iranian officials have repeatedly underscored that the country will not hesitate to strengthen its military capabilities, including its missile power, which are entirely meant for defense, and that Iran's defense capabilities will never be subject to negotiation. Leader of the Islamic Revolution Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei has repeatedly called for efforts to maintain and expand Iran's defense capabilities.